Hey, coffee enthusiasts! Welcome back to Coffee Lovers Hub, the place where we combine the love for coffee with the joy of baking. Today, we're stepping into the delightful world of baking with coffee, delicious recipes to try. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey that's going to make your taste buds dance with delight. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification button to always know when we post such informative coffee videos. First things first, let's talk about why coffee and baking are a match made in culinary heaven. Coffee's rich, robust flavors can add depth and complexity to your baked goodies. It's like a secret ingredient that takes your recipes to the next level. So, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, coffee-infused recipes are about to become your new best friends. Let's kick things off with an absolute classic, coffee muffins. These little wonders are like a morning hug from your favorite barista. We'll show you how to infuse your muffin batter with brewed coffee, giving you that perfect blend of caffeine and comfort. Pro tip: use a dark roast coffee for an extra flavorful kick. Ready to take it up a notch? Get ready for Espresso Brownies. That'll have you saying, "Been there, devoured that." These gooey delights are a chocolate lover's dream, with a rich coffee twist that's simply irresistible. But be warned, these brownies are so good, they might disappear before you can say, "Caffeine fix." Now, let's talk about coffee cake, the perfect companion to your morning brew. We'll show you how to create a coffee-flavored crumb topping that's out of this world. You'll be sipping and savoring every bite, wondering why you didn't try this sooner. Tiramisu is next on our list, and trust us, it's a showstopper. With layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and creamy mascarpone, it's like a coffee-flavored cloud in dessert form. Don't forget to dust it with cocoa powder for that elegant finishing touch. It's time to explore the divine combination of coffee and chocolate. They're like the dynamic duo of the dessert world. From mocha cookies to coffee-infused brownie bites, we'll show you how to bring out the best in both these flavors. But wait, there's more. Ever thought of incorporating brewed coffee into your recipes? We'll share some secret techniques to brew your coffee just right, enhancing the flavor of your baked goods. Now, if you're feeling artsy, you can create coffee art that's almost too beautiful to eat. From latte art to coffee-infused glazes, we'll help you turn your desserts into edible masterpieces. As we wrap up this delicious journey, remember that coffee and baking are all about fun and experimentation. Feel free to get creative, add your own twists, and share your coffee-infused creations with us. If you enjoyed this flavor-packed adventure and want more coffee and baking inspiration, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Coffee Lovers Hub, and share this video with your fellow baking buddies. Until next time, may your coffee be strong, and your baked goods even stronger. Happy baking!